Hello guys, welcome to my Cisco Packet Tracer final activity where I am simulating a wired connection here to the server, wireless connection to the server, and an integrated mixed wired and wireless connection. Now, we could have a hub connected from the switch to the laptops, but our professor told us that we could choose what end devices we want to finish the function or the simulation. So, in the case of other situations, initially, or what actually happened is that the end device we were using at the time was a laptop, but I wanted to make mine look unique. So to avoid the same output as my batchmates, I opted for a server here. Doesn't make much of a difference. You just come here and you set the IP, and this is the IP that we use on that day. And on the laptops, you also set the IP for the laptops and the DNS server. And here we have the IP for every laptop, for different laptops. And you also have to remove this. Initially, you're gonna have this one and 1 a.m. and you turn this off, and then you replace this with this module so that you can achieve a wireless connection. And right over here, you can set the IP. So all of these laptops are already set. I only have 2 minutes to explain, or more or less a few more I can extend. Let's simulate what it looks like when I'm sending data. Because Cisco Packet Tracer has a unique problem. You have one successful. You have the second one. You have the third one, the fourth one, and the fifth one. So as you can see, status is successful, but I'm gonna show you how that looks like. It's gonna send data here, send data here again, processing for the second laptop, third laptop processing, fourth laptop processing, fifth laptop processing. That's for wireless connections. And then it will send the data back here. So we have that. 2, check. 3, here. Check. 4, 5. There we go. Here, check. And we have 2 more. One brown one from this one. Check. And the orange one, the first one we initiated, check. So all of them are successful, meaning that we're able to ping from this server down to here. Now let's see if that's true. Let's go back in real time. This one. Let's try this one. Desktop, command prompt. We already have a ping set. Ping 192.168.1.139. So see, we're able to ping. That's for real time. And then let's check for this one. Desktop, command prompt, ping 192.168.1.139. Able to ping, meaning that the connection here is safe and it's valid. Let's see. Here we go. So the issue with the reason why we're doing this manually is because we can see this is all successful. We have to remove laptop 5, laptop 6, 7, 8, and 9. So what we have left is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we can see that it's all successful, so we already know the estimated. But the difference is this one takes time for them all to go back. This one is simultaneous, meaning that once it sends here, it goes back while the other one is sending data. That's the nice thing about the switch. We can see that it's checking. It's checking again. Next. It's checking also. It's checking. And we can see that this is the last one. All of them are successful. Now let's move on to the integrated part. This is the part that's somewhat tricky, but again, what you're trying to do here and here, you just apply it to this router and set it as an access point like this one to here. So let's look at how that works. So initially I wanted them to have their own I wanted the routers to be wirelessly connected, but apparently I searched online, it's not available in Cisco. At the same time, they don't allow broadcasting and multicasting. So I just had to opt for this version. See here, it's processing this one, returning the data from here, processing here, returning the data, and then this one is already here checked. First one is good, second one is good, but this is the funny part about the wireless one. It's gonna send all together. We just have to wait. You're able to see that all of them sent together. Okay, so all of them were sent together. All three are still in progress. So first one is already being processed, returning. Oh no, not yet. This is the second process. It's already successful. Second process is here. You can see that the third process, sorry. You can see the third process. Process again. Returning. It's kind of confusing because I'm trying to speed up everything. I don't have much time. So we see that it's being processed, successful. Processing data again for the last one, laptop 16. And it's gonna go back here and it's done. So as you can see, all of them from laptop 10, 11, 12, 13, 16 are successful. So you don't have to mind that because we already know that data can be transferred. And what's proof of that? We're gonna try to go back to real time. Go back here, command prompt. We're gonna ping our 192.168.1.139. So with that, we already have data coming in. It's pinging is a two-way process, two-way communication. So we know that the server can talk to us and we can talk to the server. 192.168.1.139. See, all of them are able to ping. So I'm not gonna go through everyone. I'm just gonna show you this one because it's a bit complicated to go through all of them. And one of this one wired connection 68.1.139. So with that, I thank you. That was my entire finals project, and I hope you enjoyed or learned something new. Hopefully I'll be able to send the next ones in